Good evening, kids. I hope that you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Follow these rules at your home. Wash your hands properly and social distancing. Now, welcome to the Abacus classes. Our today's topic is special number 5. As you all know that this is your 5 beat. Students, as you can see in front of you, one abacus tool is there. So, we are talking about today special number 5. Can you clearly see this abacus tool? Very good. Now, as I have told you that this is your units rod. See, there are 5 dots in this abacus tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The mid dot. This is the mid dot. And this mid dot rod is called the units rod. Students, can you see it clearly? Yes, this is the units rod. And this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Now this though you know very well. Now we are talking about special number 5. See, in this rod, the upper bead value, this bead is 5. Now as you can see, your all the upper beads are up. For adding this 5, you have to put this bead down. This 5. I have added 5. Students, again I am repeating, for adding 5, you have to put this bead down. As this bead touches the beam, it attains a value. I am explaining you in Hindi also. जैसे ही ये बीट इस बीट को टच करती है तो इसकी वैल्यू हो जाती है. लाइक जब ये बीट्स इस बीम को टच करती हैं, व्हेन दिस बीट टचेस द बीम इट अटेन्स अ वैल्यू मीन्स 1. सेम वे व्हेन दिस बीट टचेस द बीम it attains a value and its value is 5. Its value is 5. Now if I will say add 5, so what you have to do? You have to put this bead down and this is 5. Getting, students? Kids, now our today's topic. Our today's topic is sum in units rod, lower and upper beads. Now we will do some sum. Kids, as you can see in front of you, abacus tool is there and I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sums. So let's start. As I have told you, this is your units rod. And in this rod, you have to do these calculations. So, the first number is 2. You have to add 2. 1, 2. Now, you have to add 5. Students, I have told you how you have to add 5. This is your 5 bead. And for adding 5, you have to put this bead down. See, I have added 5. Now you have to add 2. 1, 2. Now student, count this. See, it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again I am counting for you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to count the 5 because you have added the 5. And students, in your class first, I have told you how to count the beads. Very good. Now set your abacus again. Now what is the number? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to minus 4. For minus, I have told you, you have to put the beads down. For add up, for minus down. So minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4 done. Now you have to add 5. As you know, this is your 5 bead, upper bead, 5. Now what is the answer? See, here you have not added any number, any bead, and you have added 5. So answer is 5. Now set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now what is your number? Your number is 5. You have to add 5. 5. Now what you have to add? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what you have to do? You have to minus 5. Minus means minus 5. Your bead is down. Minus 5 means I have put the bead up again in its position. Now what is your answer? 1, 2, 3. Now your next example. 5. First of all, set your abacus, lower beads down, upper beads up. Now what is your first number? It is 5. Add 5. Now what you have to add? 1. 1. Now you have to minus 5. See, for adding you have put the 5 bead down. For minus you have to put the 5 bead up. I am writing also here. See, minus 5. Now what is your answer? The answer is 1. Bead 5. If you have to add the bead 5, now you have got the answer. Set your abacus. Now if you bead 5, for bead 5, if you have to add it, if you have to add the bead 5, what you have to do? Down. Put bead down. And for bead 5, if you have to subtract. Subtract means minus, this minus. If you have to do minus, what you have to do? Put bead up. See, bead 5, add, put bead down. For adding, you have to put this bead down. And if you have to subtract it, means minus, then you have to put this bead up. Understanding, students? Now kids, this is your last sum. Do with me. The first is 5. Add 5. Down. See, add 5 down. You can put it here. For add 5, down. Down I have done. Now 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to minus 1. Minus 1. Now, what is your answer? Now, count the beat. In class first, you have learned how you have to count the beat. Now, this is 5. Start from 5. 5, 6, 7. Again, I am counting 5, 6, 7. See how easily you can do these sums with the help of this abacus tool. Students, if you want to improve your mathematical skills and calculations in maths, you should practice these sums and my given sums in your rough notebook. Kids, practice the sums at home, as the more you practice, the better the results. Thank you.